In today's video we are going to discuss about social media, its uses, its positive effects and negative effects on our life. Social media is a term used to describe the use of internet-based and mobile technologies to turn communication into interactive dialogue. Social media includes websites and applications that enable users to create and share content, participate in online communities, and interact with others in a virtual environment. Some of the most popular social media platforms include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, Reddit. Social media can be used for a variety of purposes, including staying in touch with friends and family, sharing news and information, networking with professionals, promoting businesses, building communities, learning new things, expressing oneself creatively. Social media has both positive and negative effects. On the positive side, social media can help people stay connected, learn new things, and express themselves creatively. It can also be a powerful tool for social change. On the negative side, social media can be addictive. It can be used to spread misinformation, and it can be a source of cyberbullying and other forms of online harassment. Overall, social media is a powerful tool that can be used for good or for bad. It is important to be aware of the potential risks and benefits of social media before using it. Here are some of the benefits of social media. Staying connected with friends and family. Social media can help you stay connected with friends and family who live far away. You can share photos, videos, and updates about your life, and you can even chat with them in real time. Learning new things. Social media is a great way to learn new things. You can follow experts in your field, join groups that share your interests, and read articles and blog posts on a variety of topics. Networking with professionals. Social media can be a great way to network with professionals in your field. You can connect with people who work at companies you're interested in, and you can attend online events and conferences. Promoting businesses. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting businesses. You can use social media to connect with potential customers, share news about your products or services, and run marketing campaigns. Building communities. Social media can be a great way to build communities. You can join groups that share your interests, and you can participate in discussions and debates. Expressing oneself creatively. Social media can be a great way to express oneself creatively. You can share photos, videos, and articles that you've created, and you can participate in creative challenges. Here are some of the risks of social media. Addiction. Social media can be addictive. People who spend too much time on social media may neglect their real-world relationships and responsibilities. Misinformation. Social media can be a source of misinformation. People can easily share false information on social media, and it can be difficult to tell what's true and what's not. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a form of online harassment that can have serious consequences. People who are cyberbullied may feel isolated, depressed, and even suicidal. It is important to be aware of the risks of social media before using it. If you find that you're spending too much time on social media, or if you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information you're exposed to, it's important to take a break. You can also set limits on your social media use, and you can choose to follow only people and groups that you trust. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.